John W. Weeks was the Secretary of War who successfully advocated for the unknown soldier to be buried at Arlington National Cemetery on November 11, 1921, the 3-year anniversary of Armistice Day, which ended World War I. Born in New Hampshire in 1860, Weeks attended the United States Naval Academy, graduating in 1881. He then served as a midshipman in the U.S. Navy for 2 years before pursuing a career in civil engineering and surveying. When the Spanish-American War broke out in 1898, Weeks returned to active duty and served as a lieutenant in the Navy. After the war, Weeks was elected to Congress. He represented Massachusetts in the House of Representatives from 1905 to 1913 and in the Senate from 1913 to 1919. In 1921, President Warren G. Harding appointed him as Secretary of War. When he assumed office in March of that year, Congress and the War Department were deciding when to bury the unknown soldier from World War I. Some wanted the unknown to be buried on Memorial Day, but Weeks felt that May was too soon. Instead, he designated Armistice Day, November 11th, as the day for the burial of the unknown soldier. As a result, Congress declared November 11th, 1921 to be a national holiday. Weeks' decision to hold the unknown soldier's funeral on Armistice Day rather than Memorial Day solidified the importance of November 11th, now called Veterans Day, as an American day of remembrance. John W. Weeks is buried here in Section 5.